According to Social Blade, this faceless cash cow YouTube channel is banking anywhere from 10K to 50K each month. It currently has over 6 million subscribers. Several of their recent videos have gone viral and hit 1 million views super fast. Some of their most viewed videos have even reached over 30 million views. All this channel does is narrate scary viral stories. The scary channel that we are shining a spotlight on is called
Mr. Nightmare.
Welcome everyone. Our channel is dedicated to providing beginner-friendly tutorials on how to start profitable online streams of income without having to show your face or even use your own voice. Best part about it is that it doesn't require any prior tech experience or purchasing expensive equipment. What if we pull back the curtains and give you the cheat code for you to do the same thing using the leverage of AI? In today's video, I'm going to show you the newbie-friendly, step-by-step process of creating your very own faceless YouTube channel using only AI tools. This means the entire storyline, the voiceover, the music, and even the videos are automatically generated using AI. The sweetest part of this automated system is that you can monetize this content on YouTube today, in 2024 and beyond. Make sure you pay close attention and stick around until the very end so you don't miss any critical steps. So without any further ado, let's get this show on the road so you can start your journey raking this YouTube profit in ASAP. Okay, step 1. Time for a catchy channel name. Let's hop over to our good old friend ChatGPT for some name ideas. Let's prompt ChatGPT to generate us 25 original and engaging scary story ideas for YouTube channel names. Pick the name that calls out to you. When you find one that has a nice ring to it, let's use it. Next, we need a channel logo. For the free AI image generator alternative, we are going to use Leonardo.ai. Let's type this prompt into Leonardo.ai, an engaging and scary story YouTube channel logo. Choose and upscale the best image and use it as your new channel's logo. Okay, now time for a YouTube banner. Let's hop back into Leonardo.ai and use this prompt. An engaging YouTube banner for a scary story channel. Unreal Engine 5, high octane render, and then enter --AR5, 1, so that the image dimensions are wide enough to fit as a banner. Choose your favorite image. Now go to the one and only canva.com to turn your image into a YouTube channel banner. Their direct link will be below in the description. Adjust and crop image to your liking. Click the top right button where it says share and download. Now, on to making the videos. To start, let's look at our competition's channel and see what videos of theirs get the most views. Look at that, almost 1.5 million views on a video posted recently. The title is 3 Disturbing True High School Horror Stories. Spoiler alert, these stories probably are not true. So why not make our own fictional story? Let's hop back over to ChatGPT and enter this prompt, an engaging, interesting, and original 1,000-word disturbing high school horror stories in the first-person perspective. Now that we have our scary stories created, we need a voice to read them. If you're anything like me, you probably hate hearing the sound of your own voice. So let's totally avoid that part, and instead make an AI voice read the script for us. These new AI voices now are high quality, professional, and super realistic. It's honestly insane how they can capture emotion, tone, and other elements that make a voice sound human. Remember, YouTube will monetize these AI voices because it sounds like a real human is talking. YouTube only demonetizes those cringy, robotic-sounding AI voices, and that's fair because they sound like The website we will be using to create our realistic AI voice is called play.ht. Their direct link will be below in the description. I recommend that you go for the creator plan for about $1 per day. That's like pocket change, and will take your content quality to the next level. This website is the best of the best at making natural-sounding AI voices. Let's choose your narrator to generate your AI voiceover. Let's click Use. Let's check out what that sounds like with our new voice we just made.
Make sure that you like and subscribe to AI. Money Hub bitches.
Wow, I really think you should listen to that voice. He really knows his shit. The next step is copying the story from ChatGPT and then pasting it on play.ht. When you're ready, hit generate and watch the magic happen. Can you believe it was that easy? Press that download button on the bottom right and let's move on to the final steps. All we need for our video now is a scary professional grade image to use as the thumbnail. Input this prompt into Leonardo.ai. A YouTube thumbnail about a scary high school story. Realistic, spooky, 4K AR16:9 by 1080p image. Choose your favorite image for your thumbnail. Pick the image that will go perfectly with your story. Let's create that thumbnail with Canva. Search for YouTube thumbnail. Upload your scary thumbnail. Now, add the text for the thumbnail and download it. Let's put it all together. Open up your editing software. We recommend Invideo. Their direct link will be below in the description. Upload your script into Invideo AI, which will automatically pick stock footage scenes to match your scary script from ChatGPT. Invideo will also automatically add and generate subtitles to your videos. Invideo also has a huge YouTube-approved library with copyright-free music and video selection that you can quickly drag and drop and add music or video to your timeline. Now, let's take your downloaded voiceover from play.ht and upload it into Invideo. Add your voiceover to the scary story timeline. It would be best to repeat this process and create 2 or 3 more stories so that your video can be longer, but you get the principle now. For additional royalty-free images and videos, you can check out pexels.com or pixabay.com. For the final step, VidIQ, it assists picking out keywords, hashtags, writing descriptions to get even more views guaranteed. Their direct link will be below in the description. All you've got to do now is upload the video to YouTube. Stay consistent, and you will surely start bringing in those views. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully created your own AI-powered YouTube channel. You are ready for the world of YouTube cash cow content creation. Don't stop at just one video. Keep uploading regularly to keep your viewers glued to their screens. Remember, the more engaging your content, the more YouTube love you will get. We will be releasing beginner-friendly step-by-step tutorials on a weekly basis on how to make money online with the power of AI automation. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Stop saying one day and instead say day one. See you next time. Thanks for watching. God bless.
Make sure that you like and subscribe to AI. Money Hub bitches.
God, please, no! No! No!